ng 31st PBA season, nakita ni Lordy Tugade kung bakit siya isa sa mga quiet superstars ng liga. Tinaguri ang The Alaminos Assassin because of his impeccable marksmanship. Ilang beses niya akong pinasabing, Lordy, 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 with his impeccable marksmanship during clutch situations.
Kung may James Yap si Kirby, may Lordy Tugade naman si Enrico at naging mahalagang pyesa para kay Coach Yen Yao in making Red Bull a perennial title contender. Silipin natin ang pagiging asuntago itong si Lordy Tugade sa bayan ng mga Astig.
Si Lordy Tugade, ako nagbigdad sa kanya ng The Assassin. Tapos kasama natin si Nico Halili. Kaya alam naman natin, alamin mo si Lordy. Kaya dinugtong na yung Alaminos, kaya naging Alaminos Assassin.
Isa rin si Lordy Tugade sa mga amateur players na otomatikong in-elevate ng Red Bull sa kanilang pagpasok sa PBA noong 2000 season. At gaya ng naging kwento ni Enrico Villanueva, Tugade played as backup to 2002 MVP Willie Miller sa kanyang mga naunang taon sa PBA. But it was only a matter of time bago marinig ang malakas na pagkahol ng dating NU Bulldog. Matapos may trade si Miller sa Talking Text bago ang 2003 season, nabigyan ng pagkakataon si Tugade at hindi niya ito inaksaya. Unti-unti gumangatang laro ni Lordy, and he became Red Bull's primary artillery mula sa perimeter.
Napapansin ko, tuwing siyang nakaka-score ng 3-pointer, especially na clutch situation sa game, expression na siya eh. Pagkatapos siya itira, he will just go backward and play defense. That's what you need from a big-time scorer. Someone who can get you the clutch point without showing expression.
What a share! To Villanueva, to Dante, to three! Yeah! These men are made of feather stock. You really see the stars shine in situations like this.
Si Lordy has overcome the pressures of being expected to score. Alam mo, mahirap pantayan kasi si Lordy. And once he gets going, mahirap nang tigilan niya.
I'm so long without you. It's tearing me apart down. How to get this far? Playing games with this hell.
He has really blossomed into a player who can make shots, who can make attempts. A lot of these shots are taken with players hanging all over him. They're taking some quick three-point shot attempts, but he has really blossomed into a player who can make shots.
At ito lamang nakalipas sa PBA season, Lordy enjoyed his most spectacular season in his pro career. From his 12.7 points average on a 29.7% shooting sa three-point territory sa 2004-2005 season, inangat pa ni Tugade ang kanyang laro sa sumunod na conference as he averaged 15.6 points on a 38.9% shooting upang maging panglima sa season scoring leaders. Matapos may snub sa 2005 All-Star Game sa Lawag, itinuon ni Tugade ang kanyang atensyon sa pag-improve ng kanyang laro upang madala ang Red Bull muli sa itaas with the 2005-2006 Fiesta Conference Championship kung saan itinanghal pa nga siyang Finals MVP.
Ladies and gentlemen, their best player of the championship series, Lordy Tugade.
At sa 2006 All-Star Game, hindi pa rin pinalad na makasama sa 2006 Misamis Oriental All-Star Game sa Cagayan de Oro.
Actually, the All-Stars decided by the voters and the fans. So I guess it's about time that he'll be included in the next All-Stars. And you ask any team about Lordy Tugade, who do you want from Red Bull? And they will tell you they want Lordy Tugade.
Natalo man siya kay James Yap sa kanilang pangalawang duelo, Nagkaroon naman ng konsuelo si Tugade nang napasama ito sa mythical first team sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa kanyang career.
PBA fans, this is your dream team. At yan po ang kwento sa likod ng tagumpay ni Lord Tugade. When we return,